Life is a relentless stream of decisions, some trivial, others profound. From the moment we wake, we are faced with a multitude of choices: what to eat for breakfast, what route to take to work. These seemingly small decisions, when added up, shape the tapestry of our lives. We are defined not by our grand pronouncements, but by the accumulation of our daily choices. Recognizing the significance of each decision, no matter how small, is the first step towards mastering the art of decision-making. The weight of our choices can be overwhelming. We often fear making the wrong decision, leading to inaction and missed opportunities. But the truth is, there is rarely a single right decision. Every choice comes with its own set of potential outcomes, both positive and negative. The key is not to strive for an elusive, perfect decision, but to develop a framework for making informed and deliberate choices that align with our goals and values. As we navigate the complexities of life, it's essential to remember that decision-making is not a solitary endeavor. We are social creatures, influenced by the opinions and experiences of those around us. Seeking diverse perspectives, valuing different viewpoints, and engaging in constructive dialogue can enrich our decision-making process and lead to more robust outcomes. Ultimately, mastering the art of decision-making empowers us to take control of our lives and shape our destinies. Our brains are intricate machines, constantly processing information and guiding our actions. When it comes to decision-making, we often imagine a singular, rational mind carefully weighing options. However, research suggests that our decisions are influenced by two distinct systems of thinking. System 1, which is fast, intuitive, and emotional, and System 2, which is slower, more deliberate, and analytical. System 1 is our autopilot, effortlessly guiding us through routine tasks and rapid judgments. It relies on heuristics, mental shortcuts that allow for quick but often imperfect decisions. System 2, on the other hand, requires conscious effort and concentration. It's the analytical mind that we engage when solving complex problems, planning for the future, or making significant life choices. Understanding the interplay between these two systems is crucial for making sound decisions. While System 1 is efficient for many everyday choices, it is also susceptible to biases and errors in judgment. System 2, with its capacity for logic and reasoning, can help us identify and mitigate these biases, leading to more rational and informed decisions. However, it's important to note that neither system is inherently superior. Both intuition and analysis have their place in the decision-making process. The key is to recognize when to rely on each system and to strive for a balance between the two. By understanding the strengths and limitations of our thinking processes, we can make more conscious and effective decisions. Our minds, while remarkable, are not immune to biases. These are systematic errors in thinking that can lead us astray, even when we believe we're being rational. Cognitive biases are like optical illusions, distorting our perception of reality and influencing our choices. One common bias is confirmation bias, our tendency to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs while ignoring evidence that contradicts them. This can lead us to make decisions based on incomplete or skewed information, reinforcing our preconceived notions instead of challenging them. Another prevalent bias is the availability heuristic, where we judge the likelihood of an event based on how easily examples come to mind. For instance, after watching a news report about a plane crash, we might overestimate the dangers of flying, even though statistically it remains a very safe mode of transportation. These biases, often operating unconsciously, can significantly impact our judgment and lead to irrational choices. Recognizing our susceptibility to these cognitive traps is the first step towards mitigating their influence. By becoming aware of common biases, we can start to question our assumptions, challenge our own perspectives, and seek out more objective information. While decision-making can often feel overwhelming, a structured approach can provide clarity and confidence. A simple yet effective framework involves 5 key steps. 1. Define the decision. Clearly articulate the choice you need to make, ensuring you're addressing the right problem. 2. Gather information. Collect relevant data from reliable sources to inform your decision. This might involve conducting research, seeking expert opinions, or analyzing past experiences. 3. Identify alternatives. Generate a range of possible options, considering different perspectives and potential solutions. Avoid limiting yourself to the most obvious choices. Explore creative and unconventional possibilities. 4. Evaluate the options. Weigh the pros and cons of each alternative, considering their potential outcomes, risks, and benefits. Use decision-making tools like cost-benefit analysis or decision matrices to systematically compare options. 5. Make the decision and commit. Once you've carefully evaluated the alternatives, choose the option that best aligns with your goals, values, and risk tolerance. Remember that decision-making is not always a linear process. You might need to revisit previous steps, gather additional information, or adjust your criteria as you learn more. The key is to remain flexible and adaptable while adhering to a structured approach that promotes thoughtful consideration and informed choices.